We had a discussion about inspecting neighbors' homes and what's the return on investment. Let me tell you. One way to show your overwhelming value to people is to have people testify to that fact, to have clients provide testimonials, to have them talk well about you to others. So ask all of your clients, if you have them now, current clients and past clients, to do a Google review with 5 stars and send each client that Google review link that we teach you in the masterclass, for example. But if you're new, let's say you're brand new and you don't have clients or don't have many clients, or you don't even have an inspection job tomorrow, that's all right. Here's an idea to build and communicate this type of value where people are so overwhelmed, they talk well about you. Build perceived value by getting your neighbors to talk well about you. Tomorrow morning, go to work. Get dressed, put on your work shoes, grab your Internationally Certified Inspector ID badge that you can download and order online through your account. Knock on doors, ask everyone to inspect their home for free. They get a free home inspection. You know, Internationally believes that every home should be inspected every year as part of a homeowner's routine home maintenance plan, and so should you in this exercise. But also, you get a return on your investment for doing a free inspection for your neighbor. And what's the return? Well, you get a lot. You do a free inspection for your neighbor, put a sign in the front yard. International's marketing team can help you design the sign, or you could do it yourself. The sign says something like, this home is being inspected by BigBenInspections.com. And then inspect the home and make a report and take pictures of the sign and the house and your vehicle. And in return, get a video testimonial of someone who talks well about you. Get that testimonial. Everybody does selfies nowadays. I mean, 10 years ago, the word selfie didn't even exist. Now everyone does a selfie. Everyone can do a video. Give them your phone, not their phone. Give them your phone and do a selfie and tell them, can you say something nice about Big Ben Inspections in Boulder, Colorado? They did a great home. I recommend them, right? And make sure you get a 5-star Google review from that person as well. You can send them the link immediately, text them the link. Google provides a short link that you can send to your clients. Now you've got an inspection, right? You've got inspection pictures. You've got inspection videos for your own gallery that you can share on your website. You've got social media content. You have sample reports. You've got pictures of houses that you've inspected, defects, systems, components, inspections, pictures all over the place, real person selfie testimonials, and Google stars and reviews. Holy cow. That is a great return on your investment for just doing something nice for your next door neighbor who may have a problem that they're not aware of. Here's another business tip. What do you do if you don't have an inspection tomorrow? What are you going to do on Saturday morning if you're not doing a Saturday morning inspection? Well, you get up and go to work. You put on your work shirt and your shoes, and maybe you just do 1 hour. That's fine. You get dressed and put on your shoes. Something about putting on your shoes, work shoes. And get in front of your computer, or you clean your vehicle, maybe clean your inspection vehicle, and then take a picture of it and put it on social media. You wipe down and charge all of your tools. You start knocking on doors. You network online. You send out a couple emails. You write some handwritten letters. You post on social media. You improve your inspection report, your narratives. You get faster with your report writing. You become more efficient. You start inspecting your own home that morning. Create social media posts about what you're inspecting. Take pictures and videos. See, when you own your own business, there's always something to work on. So just get to work. Getting others to recommend you is one great way to show value to potential clients and their agents. Remember, a referral, especially from a real estate agent, is risky. It's like perceived risk. So you want to reduce that risk by showing client testimonials and by showing your inspection experience. That's a huge return on your investment. to help your neighbors out.